Okay, I just wanted to know that my mom, she hasn't been in Bangladesh for 7 years, and she wants to sponsor her sister and 2 young children my aunt has. One is 6 years old, one is 15. Due to her illness, she suffers from Parkinson's and a lot of complicated other health-related issues she has. So it's not very easy for her to travel back. And I was wondering what are the chances for her to be successful. I'll sponsor her sister and the 2 kids. Also, what do they need to show anything, any maintenance or anything back home? If you can answer my question, please.
Well, sister, hold on a second and discuss. You need to talk with our expert. So, Janab Ashuk.
Hello, are you still on the line?
Hi, yeah.
Yes, okay. So, unfortunately, your mom is ill in the UK.
Yeah.
And you want to sponsor 1 female and 2 children to come to the UK on a visit.
That's right, to visit my mom.
Right. Well, the most important thing is the person who's coming to the UK, they must show that they can pay for the flight.
Yeah.
And they have source of income back home. And also they have to show that they will go back after the visit in the UK.
Right.
The person sponsoring in the UK, they have to show that they can provide accommodation to the people who are coming over.
Yeah.
And obviously, if it is related as far as family is concerned, then if the application is refused, they would have appeal rights. And if you are not related,
no, it's related. It's my mom's own sister.
Then, if you are not related, then unfortunately there won't be actually any appeal rights.
No, she will be the main applicant. My mother will apply for her sister. But I'll sponsor, I'll show the maintenance.
Well, the main criteria is the people who are entering the UK on a visitor's visa from Bangladesh must show that they can actually come to the UK on their own accord. They have their own resources to pay for the trip.
No, in terms of living and accommodation, that's what I'll show. But they need to show also, like, they can fly with their own means.
The people coming from Bangladesh, they have to show that they have their own fund to pay for the flight, to have a small holiday, obviously, and to see the ill person. But the most important thing is they have to show that they are genuine visitors and that they will return back to Bangladesh. This is what they call an intention, you see, because, I mean, the Home Office don't want people to give excuses to enter the UK on a visitor's visa and not go back. So it is very important to show why she would want to go back. She can show she has other children whom she needs to look after, and that could be one of the good reasons that she needs to go back home.
And then another concern is sister's concern is if she wants to show the accommodation, is any possibility to show, as her mom is the main sponsor.
Well, you can show accommodation, but you can either get a letter from the local council or from some state agent showing that the place the visitors will stay in would be adequate to accommodate them lawfully.
Yeah, could you please,
hazard.
sorry, I'm just taking a bit long. Tell me that what is likely the sufficient accommodation for 3 people, and because obviously my aunt back home, she's not a professional or anything.
Well, for a 2-bedroom house, 3 people can stay in. For a 3-bedroom house, 4 people. And for a 4-bedroom house, they say 7.5 people. So you can work it out yourself.
Right, okay, all right. And thanks very much.
If you actually go in the Housing Act 1996, and there's actually a definition of how many people is safe to live in a house. So you can check with the Housing Law 1996, and you should actually find the rules written there.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ashuk Miah. Thank you, sister. I hope you got your answer. দেখি আমাদের সাথে টেলিফোনে পরবর্তীতে